Hello, everybody. This is a quick introduction to Repl.it, and I just want to explain how you can complete your lab assignments. Okay, um, you should have an invite from me in your mailbox saying from Repl.it saying that join the classrooms with the button on it, right? You should be able to click on that and it should take you to the Repl.it. Repl.it is a third party preset environment for students to do the lab or anyone to do labs or Java exercises or compile, run Java programs, right? You can code, you can run, you can execute and see their outputs and results. You don't have to set up any environment. It's all preset. All you have to do is go in there, see the assignments I have assigned, just start working on that and complete it. Once you complete, you will be able to submit and I should see the assignments completed from each of the students. Okay. Just make sure, check your mails and see you have an invite from Repl.it to complete your labs. Once you see that, you click on this link here or the button and it will take you to directly to Repl.it, the website or the platform. It's a web platform for you to code, compile, as I said. You will be, see the classroom icon with Go Java. Just click on this image here, take you to the next level, which is into the assignment section here. So we'll see your assignments with the points and due dates in Repl.it. You have two assignments for chapter 1 already, lab 1, lab 2. Just click on the assignments hyperlink here. It will take you to the next page, which is I'm going to share the real Repl.it. Just make sure you can see this. Okay. All right. I think there is a problem here to completely show this. All right. So just to give you an example here, right? This is your lab assignment. Okay. The lab assignment is when you click on that assignment, you will come to the work area here. You should be able to just write your code right inside. Okay. You don't have to go and download JDK or compile and set up your environment. All you have to do is start coding here. So you should be able to just go inside this area. Just make sure you are here. This is your place where you're writing your code, right? It should have a preset main class with the main method inside. So this is the main method. This is the main class with one system out, which is just to greet you, hello world, right? So you will be able to write your piece of code right inside here. Just make sure you write, compile, and run that code using this run button. So for example, if I have to write something like int I equals to 10 and int j equals to 20 and say a total int is another variable in total equals to I plus j, which should be 30, the totals, right? So I should just able to system out and see the results of my total value, right? System.out.println will show me the total here, my total. Okay, that's just going to give you the total of these two, 10 and 20, two integer variables. So just we'll come to know all this, in syntax levels and what are these data types means. But right now, this is where you're writing your code And once you write your code, you can just run it using run command here. So it's just going to compile and run your code. See, I get an output right in this black area here, right? Saying hello world, that's my first system out. Just system out is just going to put anything back to the console. And then I have, this one, which I do a computation and addition, right? My total is 30, just adding 10 and 20 gives me the total. So this is how you complete your labs. Once you complete, you will have a submit button. Once you run it and see the output, you can just submit it back to me so that, it will, come to me. So there's a submit button right here, which will be utilized to submit your work, right? Which is right here. So just submit it. Just make sure you submit your work. Otherwise, I'm not going to see that. Okay. Submit it, and then I should come to me and you get your grade if you complete your labs on time with your required output. So just make sure you do this, all the labs assigned to you, complete it, and then you submit it. Make sure you run and see the output and see there is no compiler issues or any errors you get. So let's say if I have made a mistake here, forgot to put a semicolon, right? When I run, I'm going to get an error message saying that error semicolon expected. So I should go back and fix that, right? Part of my code. Just make sure you fix those, and then run it again. So this time it's going to give me the right output. My total is 30, right? So I'm good here. All right, so that's all about our labs. And again, you should get an invite from Repl.it and just click on that and get into your lab sessions. Start working on that. If you have any questions, please to send an email and let me know, so we can work on that. Okay. All right. Again, labs are due on every Friday. If you have 2 or 3 labs every week, just make sure you complete them before Friday, 11 p.m. and submit them. Okay. All right. Wish you all the best. And if any questions, shoot me an email. Talk to you soon. Bye.